This is a warranty Easy Plant. If you'll recall, my 5th Easy Plant was a Blue Star Fern that came out, well, a little skimpy. I contacted them, showed them a picture. They sent me a new one, and here it is. It arrived, I believe this was roughly 4 days later. It too shipped from Homestead, Florida. I'm not going to go into great detail on this. A quick voiceover cut in and a sped up background. What you're seeing is me trying to do live miking, and I couldn't enunciate something, so I had to multiple open and close this box. Well, of course, when I'm doing a live unboxing, I want you to see it as I see it, and that's what happened. So back to where I was. Straps off, time for the first peek of a warranty Easy Plant. I got to keep the other one. So I'm going to see if this Blue Star Fern looks better, because that other one, again, was a little skimpy. And I want to say, Easy Plant, big expectations. I mean, they charge a premium price, and the others had been so full, I was a little shocked to see that. Well, I guess it's just a Blue Star Fern thing, because this, too, is, get it out of here. Yeah, it's just a little... well, that's tiny. It is fuller, I guess, than the other one, and doesn't have the dead leaves. Well, there's one. But it doesn't have the dead leaves that the other did that left it with about 5 spriggles, and at least I see, you know, they're branched out a little bit. So I'll call this one better. I do appreciate the fact that they warrantied it. I can get this out of here. I do appreciate the fact that they're willing to warranty their product. Easy Plant, a good company to deal with. I just don't think I would buy another Blue Star Fern. My other plants, I'll put in some images here of just how good they look as I'm opening up. The reveals have been very, very pleasant. And then, you know, Blue Star Fern, and now the warranty Blue Star Fern. A little better, but still not what I expect from Easy Plant when you're spending $49 for a small plant. A lot of that is their patented pot. The question now is, what do I do with this one? I could give it to a local friend or a relative, or I could see how it grows versus the other, because I think once I take this wrapping off, it's going to open up just a little further. There we go, a little production value for Easy Plant, because I do so like this company. Not that impressed with the Blue Star Ferns. Could just be a fern thing. Maybe shipped ferns just always look like that. Either way, they backed it up and sent a second plant. That's impressive. I'll continue to buy. I'll continue to have many more Easy Plants, including the 6th one that I've already unboxed, even before this. I just haven't shown it to you yet, and it is a beauty. Stay tuned for that. I hope you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.